Things seem to rush through my brain too fast. They all seem to come and melt together, and it makes me confused, sometimes even frustrated. I can't seem to process them correctly, and eventually it overwhelms me and I get angry. I decided to take a walk by the park by my house. I saw a fire hydrant. It was red, but it had yellow on it, so it made me feel funny, so I did my best to avoid it. I like walking in the rain, especially by myself, because when it's raining, there's not a lot of people outside, and it makes me feel safe. Just like when I imagine myself in space, away from everybody. It really makes me feel safe because I know nobody could touch me. I like being in small places, but the park was a nice open spot where I kind of know I can relax. I noticed a guy walking, and he was smoking cigarettes. I did not like cigarettes or the smell. I noticed a yellow curb, and I walked to the right, trying to avoid it. So I jogged away. Then I noticed there was more yellow on the curb to the left. Then I noticed there was dirt to the right. One was yellow and one was brown, so I just avoided the street altogether. I kept walking towards the park. I saw there was nobody there, so I was gonna go over there, sit down, and just think about my thoughts. I had just arrived at the park. I take the same route every time because it makes me feel safe because I always know which way to go and I know it's never gonna change. I go to sit on the same bench I've sat since I was 6. I sit on the bench and then I just think about anything that's bothering me or just to think in general. So I just sat down, took my hood up, looked up to space, and started thinking.
Hello, Father. Okay. Hey, Chris, can I eat some food?
I like the Scooby-Doo crackers, and I like the Oreos too, but they were touching each other, so I wouldn't eat them.
I can't eat this. Alright, kids, time to go to sleep.
Hey, Chris. You gotta let Steve follow me. Hey, Chris, I got you.
I would have used a toothbrush, but my friend had touched it, so I refused to use it.
I'll just use the one in my bag.
Good.
I remember that my disease gave me many obstacles that normal people did not have to go through.
29, 30.
Yeah, just got my swole on. Woo.
Hey, Dom, how are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm pretty good.
I've been working out. How do I look?
Well, you don't look like you gained much muscle, and you don't really look like you lost any weight.
I did not know why Dominic had gotten mad at me. He had asked me a question, and I had told him the truth. I guess this is one of those things Saibon was telling me about how sometimes it's okay to lie. I did not understand this, but then again, there's a lot of things that I don't understand.
Yo, it's time to play hide and go seek.
You ready, Pineda?
Okay, man. Count.
Let's go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, where do I hide?
The closet.
Ten. If you're not, here I come. Where are these guys?
Yo, stop,
man. They're gonna hear us. Yo, Chris. I think they're in the closet. Tag, you're it.
Oh, man.
Come on, now we gotta go find Chris.
I did my best to get out of the closet as quick as I could. I could not stand being in such a small place with another person. He was my friend, but I was getting ready to hit him. I do not know why I do not like small spaces with other people. I just can't handle it. It makes me feel unsafe and my mind gets so flustered. I can't do it. I can't believe what my disease has put me through. I have faced so many challenges, normal and abnormal, but it has made me a stronger person inside. The only thing I can do now is not to let anything hold me back, reach my full potential, and live my life to the fullest. Disease or not, I will succeed.